Hi everyone, Uplands Car Radios here in Cardiff. You join me in this 2017 VW Sharan, where we've just finished fitting this Kenwood DMX8021DABS. Now this model has wired and wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto, so it's a great starter unit if you're looking for that sort of thing. Some more features of this radio also include digital radio as well. Just show you some of the channels going for the customer here. Again, nice feature to have on there. Just come out of there. Some more features of this radio include wireless mirroring, FM, AM radio as well. It's also got the usual Bluetooth audio for phones that aren't Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. A USB input. So for this car, we've kept the original USB working down the bottom. We've also kept the original stalks working as well as the PDC working as well. And on this one, we've also kept the, well, I say kept, added the heating controls display in as well on there. This model comes with a 3-year extended warranty if installed by a pro install dealer such as ourselves. If this is something you're interested in for your vehicle, please get in touch.